Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's videos, we will talk about IV cannulation techniques and IV equipment. First of all, we have IV cannula, alcohol swab, tourniquet, and tape. In first, we have done a knot on arm and choose a prominent vein. You can see we have done a knot on arm and now veins has shown on hand. We have choose a prominent vein for IV cannulation, and we have tried to find a prominent vein for IV cannulation. You can see in top of hand a full prominent vein shown. I selected that vein. Now insert IV cannula in vein slowly, then blood showing in cannula, then out needle and insert full needle in vein. Now open tourniquet and take out a full needle in cannula and covered with cap. Now cannula covered with tape in top side and after that in front side of cannula, so that cannula do not lose or do not lose blood from cannula. And also we must make sure that tape is on and do not coming out. You can see we have already hang a drip and insert injection multibuta in drip for weakness. After that the air has to be removed and attached with the cannula. Then slowly open the cap and slowly let the drip go into the cannula so that there is no reactions. In last, I humble request to all of you, please like my video, comment on my video, share with your friends so that knowledge will be spread. Take care of you and your loved ones. Allah Hafiz.